What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting. The lighting is kind of weird. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm like a little ant in the corner of the screen. We're sitting at 96 cents. We're down 5.97 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 7.69 billion. 24-hour volume came down a little bit from the last few days at about 561 million. Let's pop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we invalidated a wave 4 pullback as we broke the 0.5. So what we have to potentially be looking at here, first scenario is that this was your wave 3 and this was your, oh sorry guys, this was your wave 4 pullback right here, and we completed a wave 5. So this would be your wave 1 of this larger wave 3, and now what we're doing is putting in a wave 2 pullback. It's either that or this is a 1-2-1-2 zone for a potential wave 2 pullback. We've already broken into the target zone. So in between the 0.5, we've already come down to the 0.5, the 0.786 for a wave 2. Now a wave 2 can actually retrace 99% of wave 1. So this is your larger wave count. Let me grab my little friends here. So here would be your wave 1. This would be a wave 2 pullback, and you'd be looking for a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We have to make this smaller. Okay, perfect. So what we'd be looking at is a wave 1. Here's your wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete the larger wave 3, which is here in yellow. To complete the larger wave 5, which is here in blue. To complete the largest wave 3, which is here in white. If you've been following along with the channel, this will hopefully make sense to you. And if you're new to Elliott Wave, please check out some incredible videos here on YouTube. All right, guys. So it can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. So it can come all the way down to about 88 cents. We have been watching this ascending channel. We're starting to lose that support. So if we came all the way down to 88 cents, that would be relatively bearish in my opinion. We'd want to see a bounce in between the 0.5 and the 0.618. Ideally, if we're going to see continuation of the uptrend, Matic could definitely start to pull back here, but we'll hop into that. But if we do bounce from this zone, then you could do a wave 3 target. Let's say we come down to the golden ratio, which is at 93 cents, and then we start to bounce right here. Then your wave 3 would take you up to about $1.23. And then you see your wave 4 pullback, and you would see your final wave 5. But if we do come all the way back down to this low at about 88 cents, 86 cents, that would be relatively bearish in my opinion. If we pop over to the next chart, as I mentioned here, we've been watching this ascending channel, and we started to lose that support. So unless this is a fake out to the downside, if we were to see continuation, we have a huge bearish divergence on the daily. We created higher highs, created lower highs in the RSI. On the daily, though, these can take much longer time to play out than on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, obviously. Money is flowing out, but what can happen here is you see some pullback. The RSI pulls back a little bit just as it's doing right now, and then you see continuation to the upside, and sometimes you continue to create that bearish divergence here on the daily. So that is something to keep in mind as well. But if we were to significantly lose this support line of this ascending channel, we lose the EMAs, we have had the bullish cross, that's when potentially you could be seeing a relief rally and see continuation to the downside for Matic. But as of right now, we're holding the golden ratio, as you can see right here. So if we hold that as support and we see continuation to the upside, it's an absolutely massive bullish signal of strength, and then you can push all the way back up to where you started if the golden ratio holds. So it's pretty much do or die for Matic. Does it hold the golden ratio and surprise, you know, pretty much everyone? Maybe not everyone, but definitely me, and see continuation to the upside, come all the way back up to where you started. Of course, we still have to see that large wave 2 pullback where I would definitely look to get in on Matic, but we haven't yet completed that 5-wave move to the upside, completing a larger wave 1. So we'll have to see what happens. But I am still looking for one more wave down in the market. But coins like Matic and Ethereum have invalidated a potential wave 4 pullback. So we have to focus on the bullish scenario. But I am watching these bearish divergences quite closely here. As you can see, volume is starting to taper off. But I've seen it before. Well, volume just steps in once again. The coin just continues to shoot up. So all really depends if we hold the golden ratio. If that support is lost, we lose the EMAs. And we lose the support of this ascending channel, which we're already already starting to break down from, that's when you can see a large pullback for our friend Matic. All right, guys. But with the wave count here, if we do bounce off this level, we're looking for a bounce off in between, oh, hold on, guys. Is this correct? Yeah. In between 90 to 95 cents for a potential wave 2. We can come lower and still put in a wave 2, but it wouldn't be a very strong bullish sign if we come that low, in my opinion. And I think we'd be looking at quite a large pullback potentially, especially if we lose this low, guys. And that's all she wrote. And we could definitely see a large pullback. But as of right now, we have to focus on the bullish wave count. Because we don't have any reason just yet to be bearish until we come down and we lose about 90 cents. And then we'd be significantly breaking down from this ascending channel as well. All right, guys, that's it for Matic. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. Recently locked in juicy gains on Gala, Matic, and Ethereum. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full-length tutorial, $4,500 in bonuses. Excuse me. And I'll see you in the next one. All right. Much love. Take care.